Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 97 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, that is the power of silence. So let's start. So in this world we are living in noise every time. Whether it's phone notification, whether it is traffic, whether there is a discussion going on in a house, we all are going through it. We get very less time to spend time in silence, but but silence is really important at some point of time, because it helps us to connect with us. It improve our inner peace. So and in student for student also silence is really important, because we can't study while checking notification on phone while there's a discussion going on house. We need to study in a silent, in a special, in a room where there is no notification, no phone, nothing. Then only we will able to complete our task, and we will get able to get desired results. And suppose suppose you are someone who always used to who always used to be noisy, who hates silence. So you will not be able to connected with yourself for that. So silence is really important. At some point of time we should maintain silence in our life. Like it can be in any form: walking in the evening and listening to music, but still listen to yourself. That is the main motive of silence. Then you can do meditation, you can do breathing exercises. And the power of silence is that it helps us to connect with ourselves, because we get very less time to connect with ourselves in daily routine. We are engrossed in our daily rush, we are engrossed in our daily activities. We spend time with families, but less time we spend time with ourselves. So we should spend time with ourselves, so that we will able to connect with ourselves better. So this was the first point, importance of silence. Second is that it provide inner peace. When we do meditation, when we do breathing and in silent way, we get inner peace, and it's really important in our life. Also if there is an argument, and there is an argument between two people, we should think about that argument, and we should if there is an unnecessary thought is coming, we should stop and we should simply listen to them. That is silence. I'm not saying that you don't have to say against injustice. Yes, you have to say against injustice, but you have to think also that if I will say something bad, I will regret later. So at some point of time, being silent is good. And silence in the way you can you can be silent, so that it help you to connect to your inner peace. But don't manipulate other by being silent. If you are angry with someone and you are still silent to that person, don't manipulate with silence. So the power of silence is that it helps us to connect with ourselves in this digital era, and in this fast moving world. We don't get time to spend with ourselves. We are all busy every time. So it connect with ourselves when we silently sit somewhere and think. We have thoughts in our mind. Then our mind used to work that oh, what I am doing, am I doing right or not, means we talk to ourselves in mind. But when we are not silent, we are doing work, we are hearing the noises of outside, so our mind does not work. So silence is really important, as it gives us inner peace, as it makes our mind work, as it saves energy also, because when we remain silent, it saves our energy. And that energy is used to speak when it is very essential and very important. So that's all for today's video, and if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.